This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. This message was requested by the Kentucky Police Department and the Kentucky government. Lock all of your doors and windows now. There's a threat in Kentucky, causing harm to people in the state. The description of this threat is, it's a bootleg metal Sonic plush, around 6 inches tall. It attacks its victims by punching them. We know this sounds so unrealistic, and even kind of joke, but it's real and happening right now. Lock all of your doors and windows immediately and stay quiet. We are sending the police to end the situation. Stay safe. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. This message was requested by the Kentucky Police Department and the Kentucky government. It's all done with. The plush got captured by the police and brought to a lab. It's now safe to go back to your normal lives. You may leave your home now. This was a very odd situation, but it's done with. Thank you for listening, and goodbye and have a good evening.